Hey guys, what's up? So I'm showing you guys update iOS jailbreak tweets. So the first tweet is called Spotlight Be Gone and allows you to disable Spotlight either to be swiped down gesture or its page all the way to the left of the home screen, or even both if you like. Alright, next tweet is called No Recently Deleted, and this pretty much makes hidden the deleted images and recently deleted photos app. So pretty much gets rid or hides the recently deleted section in the photos app. Alright, next tweet is called Always First Swipe, and made it that the notification center and control center only needed to be swiped once to bring up when in full screen apps. Next is called NC Dismiss, and dismiss notifications iOS 5 with a single swipe from right to left on a notification to instantly dismiss it. No icons are added to the home screen, no options to configure, and no screenshots. Alright, next is called Lyricalizer, and what this tweak does, if no lyrics are detected, this tweak Lyricalizer will fetch and cache them for you. Use one of the 3 popular lyric services, powered with iPhone, iPod Touches, and iPad devices. So, great tweak to find lyrics for your phone. This tweet is called Ed's Videos. This app can help you remove ads in most popular video online players, including launching ads and long time ads. Gives you a clean environment while watching videos. Not working in the latest version of iQIYI won't work. It's fine with other apps. You can downgrade iQIYI to use this to remove the ads. Next is called Net Control. Called iOS 11, 12, and 13. It allows users to customize the app of cellular data, Wi-Fi, networking privileges. It can be used to fix the problem that cydia or other apps can't connect to the internet at the jailbreak of mobile phones and in mobile China. Alright, next is called Spot Enhancer. It adds features to the Spotlight search. You can type search special text commands to use the new features. These commands right here. Next is called SB Volume. Volume buttons right on your springboard. Removed sound adds an empty trash sound when you remove some apps. No new icons are added to your home screen. Configure options from your settings app. Next is called Message 2. Sends a new message or mail by doing a double tap in wiggle or edit mode on mail.app or messages.app. This is called Playing Lyrics, and disables lyrics for the currently playing song via activator action. This is called Label Slider. Customize the label for the unlock slider on your lock screen. This is called Wrap Around, and so you can avoid the problem of scrolling all the way to your last icons pages, and just scroll to the last page of the icons, keep scrolling and you're back to search, or from the search page keep going to the left and you wrap around to the last icons page. Next we have is called Watchboard. It's a full home screen replacement inspired by Apple Watch icon layout. It's incredibly smooth, even works with hundreds of icons. So from the creator Barrel, one of the most popular retweets of all time. So yeah, looks pretty cool. Alright, next is called Smoothboard, and doesn't lock when scrolling. A base swipe can scroll through multiple pages instead of only one page per swipe. Alright, next is called Photo Protect. Have someone ever delete one of your photos in which they didn't, so this allows you to get like a delete button so they can that they will instead see a pop-up text configured by you warning them that they can't do it. So it helps prevent your photos from being deleted on older iOS versions before the recently deleted came. She's called Multi-Flow, and exposes like in card multitasking, works with iOS 4 and iPad. Next is called Keypad Transparency. If you ever feel like typing the wrong or your password, it's really easy for someone to see. This allows you to better protect yourself from solder surfing, so you can figure the transparency level of your keypad when you type. So you can see your password, but the other person cannot. Alright, next is called Barrel. It's compatible with iOS 3 to 13. Adds graphical effects to your icon pages when scrolling through the home screen. You have all these features you guys can do. And you can see when you're scrolling, you guys do have that cool animation effect. And this is called Wi-Fi Pudgy Dashi. Next is Polus, and brings through control center with fully customizable buttons for apps, toggles, and actions. You have over 300 app icon glyphs included. Alright, next is called Flip Switch, centralized toggle system for iOS. Alright, next is called Adsel, and brings entirely new concepts to your app switcher by adding circular sliders for volume and brightness right on the iPod control screens. We have Access, gives you quick and convenient access to your favorite apps straight from the lock screen via grabbers. We have Auto 3 for iOS 8, Auto 3 iOS 9. And it's conceptualized and designed by Sentry, coded and developed by QSIC. We have multi-scanner, quick switcher, and hot corners. Gives you the ability to slide up from the bottom middle edge of the screen to access your multitasking display without losing the vital functionality traditionally found in the control center. Also have Auto 2 is another one as well. And you have Auto Legacy. Alright, we have a Sophia iOS 7 off Sophia's iOS 8. It's a conceptualized and designed by Sentry Coded, developed by Eva Goldfish. Provides beautiful security system for your apps and more. So we have Apex, iOS 6, Apex 2, iOS 7, iOS 10. Brings a fun new way to organize and access your related apps. It saves home screen space, and you have to get rid of the access folder clutter by tucking away those related apps you want to discrete, but instant access to. Alright, next week is called, and I believe it's last week's called Arco, and it brings you a new level of usefulness to iOS Play Indicator. Alright, we have Reach Info, and Reachability Modernized. Alt Keyboard 2, Alt Keyboard, enhances your keyboard experience for familiar yet revamped ways to type in on iOS. And then we have a Nebo, allows you to seamlessly quick reply to SMS iMessage notifications from anywhere. And last tweak is called Eraser. Best way to clean up your app grid switcher just by one tap. So you have appearance, customization, animations, position, and other features. Supports iPhones and iPad run iOS 13 to 14.5. So guys, thanks for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.